In the bustling city of Los Angeles, there stands a charming yet eerie Victorian house. Its intricate woodwork and overgrown garden hint a history both rich and shadowed. As the golden light of sunset casts long shadows, the house's true nature begins to unveil itself. Emily Dawson, a young woman with a passion for history, moves into the old house. As she unpacks, she senses something unsettling. The house, despite its cozy decor, seems to whisper secrets of the past. On her first night, Emily's curiosity draws her to the attic. With only a flashlight to guide her, she steps into the dimly lit space, feeling an inexplicable chill in the air. Determined to uncover the house's secrets, Emily immerses herself in research. The study room becomes her sanctuary as she delves into old books and records, her mind piecing together the house's mysterious history. An old newspaper article catches Emily's eyes. It tells the tale of a notorious occultist who once lived in the house. Emily's intrigue grows, mingling with a sense of dread. Concerned for her safety, Emily's friend Jack arrives. With his authentic build and determined demeanor, he is ready to support Emily in her quest to uncover the truth. Together, Emily and Jack explore the attic. Strange symbols and artifacts hint at dark rituals once performed. The air is thick with unease as they piece together the house's haunted past. The attic's atmosphere turns sinister as a ghostly figure materializes. Emily and Jack are frozen in fear, confronted by the house's spectral resident. Emily and Jack seek the expertise of Dr. Evelyn Harper, a renowned paranormal investigator. In the dimly lit library, they share their findings and fears, hoping to understand the supernatural forces at play. Dr. Harper delves into the house's dark history, revealing rituals and tragedies that bound spirits to the place. Emily and Jack listen intently, their fears confirmed. Detective Marcus Hill, a skeptic by nature, joins the investigation. His experience and logical mind add a new dimension to the team's efforts to unravel the mystery. Armed with cameras and sensors, the group sets up a night vigil in the living room. The atmosphere is tense as they prepare to document any paranormal activity. The footage reveals shadowy figures and unexplained movements. The group is shocked by the evidence. They resolve to banish the spirits growing stronger. In a dark room, Emily and Jack face a terrifying spirit. Their fear is palpable, but they stand their ground, determined to confront the malevolent force. Emily and Jack uncover a hidden room filled with symbols and remnants of dark ritual. The discovery is both horrifying and enlightening, giving them the tools they need to fight back. The ghost of Lily Thompson, a tragic figure bound to the house, reveals her story. Emily and Jack listen with empathy, understanding the sorrow and pain that traps her. In the dining room, the team plans a banishing ritual. Dr. Harper's expertise guides them as they prepare to confront the house's dark forces once and for all. The hidden room becomes a battleground as the ritual begins. Candles flicker and strange energies fill the air as the team chants and prepare to banish the spirits. The room is charged with supernatural energy as the evil spirit appears. The team's fear is tangible, but their determination to banish the malevolent entity drives them forward. Bright purifying light fills the room as the ritual reaches its climax. The evil spirit is banished and the ghost of Lily Thompson finds peace. The team, triumphant yet exhausted, knows they have finally freed the house from its